Hello friends and family, welcome to the unboxing and first look. I'm about to unbox something I never have before, what I always wanted. Okay, what is inside the box? Well, I think I know. It's the Mamod Traction Engine. It's made in England and it's been around since 1937. That's when they started their model steam business. They can do all kinds of stuff. They make steam boilers, stationary engines, fire engines, cars, and lorries. Today I'm looking at the traction engine. Now let's get everything out of the box. I got some lubricating oil to lubricate all the moving parts. 20 fuel tablets. Some of the leaflets. The roof canopy. Steering rod. Fuel tray. Now something I've been waiting for. The engine itself. Okay, let's fire it up. Time to lubricate all the moving parts of the engine so it can run better. Remove the safety valve. Now to fill the boiler up with water, same water I use for Lady Anne. I use purified water from a tumble dryer, or I could use distilled water. Place the fuel tablets on the fuel tray to make sure it's well lit. Sometimes it's almost impossible to see the flame. Now for some steam test. Open up the valve to allow steam to get through. I'm giving it some little help by turning the flywheel. Now let's try the whistle. Oh dear, I've put out the fire. This wasn't supposed to happen. I've relighted the traction engine and attempted to run on the floor for the first time. Giving it a little help on the flywheel again. Well, it doesn't have the power to do that at the moment. Do you know what I did? I put some more tablets into the tray. Now look at it go. Well, that was a success. It ran extremely well. On the kitchen floor. Now to try it out in the alleyway. Now I'm gonna let you listen to the engine working. For now. I'll talk to you later. Well, that has to do it for now. I hope you enjoyed unboxing and review. Enjoy playing traction engines at home. They are great fun. At least it doesn't run on rails. Well, that is all for now. Be safe with it. And over and out.